Hey, it's Charlie Mar Beauty. I'm here today with a new beat. I want you ladies to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. It's like sunset vibes. It's giving sunset. Let me know. All right, Charlie Mar Beauty. Hey y'all, it's Charlie Mar Beauty. I'm here with a new beat today. Just gonna do a quick makeup before we get out the door. And I'm super excited because I just ordered a new M2 Pro Apple computer. It's only 14 inches, but still it's my first Apple computer. Now I got my iPad, my Apple computer, my iPhone, got my camera, and I'm gonna go get the spiral thing. It's for content creators. Basically, it follows you around, so you don't have to worry about moving your camera, so I can create more content. And you guys can get to know the Martin Holmes. Get to know my family. Okay, I'll be right back. So I got me some brushes off Amazon, so I'm looking forward to trying some of those today. Let me go get my makeup. Okay, ladies, so I'm going in with the RubyKiss eyebrow pencil. Yes, I said eyebrow pencil. I finally got my hands on one of their eyebrow pencils instead of using their lip liners for my eyebrows. I'm super excited about this pencil. I love the texture, you know, when you're lining your brow. I love the brush on the tip. This is A1. I don't know where I've been, but the beauty supply on my side of town has them, and I will be investing in more RubyKiss eyebrow pencils. They also have a concealer that's gonna start being more in high demand because LA Girl Pro Concealer is supposedly going out, or I should say the beauty supply stores aren't going to be buying LA Girl Pro Concealer because you have to buy it in the bulk versus buying what's in demand for your store. So this beauty supply guy, he told me that basically they're going to start investing in other brands like RubyKiss. So I got RubyKiss in the same shade, Fawn. It's a good concealer, but it's not good for setting. I tried Morphe setting powder and I tried Airspun setting powder and it cracked. So I can't recommend setting the RubyKiss concealer, but it's a nice consistency. I can say that. All right, let me know if you try RubyKiss products and how you like them. Let me know, ladies. Hey, baby. Okay, so right here I'm going in with the Culture 2 eyeshadow palette, and this is that canary yellow. I think it's called Queen Vibes. I'm loving this palette because you can create so many different looks with it. But I went in with Queen Vibes, that's the canary yellow. And then we went in with Dashiki, you know, to have that nice transitional color, which is like a burgundy. And then we did Delta for the blue. Okay, and this is the Culture 2 Juvias Place palette. FYI, the Culture 2 Juvias Place palette, it's very pigmented, and as you can see here, I'm going in and I'm patting those colors in. So if you're going for a darker look, you got to go in and pat the colors in and then blend your transitions out so it shows it's going from one color to the next without any harsh lines. So I'm doing a lot of patting. Pat those colors in, okay? Okay, so I went in with the Nivea cream moisturizer to moisturize my face, and then I went in with e.l.f. poreless grip primer to prime my face before I lay down my foundation. Okay, so the FitMe Latte is in the color 358. That was the color I went with on top, which was second. And then the first color I went in with was Mocha, number 360 FitMe. And these two colors together, they give me like a golden bronze type beat. I definitely like my Mocha over the Latte. I just feel like it's a better shade match. But them two blended, it came out beautifully as well. Let me know what you guys think. All right. For concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer with the satin finish. And this is in the shade Tan Sand. Some days I feel more conflicted than others when it comes to concealer under my eye because my eyes crease. And recently, since I've been watching Lachey Glams and just been paying attention to her saying that it's the technique, I honestly believe it's the technique because your under eye should not crease if you're allowing the concealer to not only get tacky, but when you go to blend it in, you're blending it in those fine lines and creases. And you want to make sure basically you don't see those creases by the time you get done blending out your concealer. And if you let it sit long enough to get tacky, you shouldn't have the creases. Right here, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn just to go over my highlighted areas and to go back in under the eye to make sure I have like a nice thick consistency under the eye before I go in and set to avoid creasing. So it's all about the technique, like Lachey Glam said. She can't preach that enough, but it's so true. Just make sure that the foundation is right and make sure that you allow your concealer to get tacky so it has a more thick consistency when you get ready to blend it out. That way you have a smooth finish when you lay down that setting powder. Okay, so before I contour, I'm going in to set my face with setting powder. I'm using the Airspun setting powder to go in and set everywhere I just highlighted with that concealer. Right here, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilsbury bronzer in the shade Deep to contour my nose and my face. I just love the brown on this bronzer. I love this brown. I also love the Juvias Place bronzer palette in the shade Dark. I'll be going in with that in a little bit later to bring some more color back into my face. Okay, here I am going in with the Sephora Poppy blush. I don't really care for blush, you guys. It's like one of the things at the end of your makeup, you're like, should I do it? I don't even care to do it. But apparently blush is more than contouring, but I'm in love with contouring. So here you go. Here's your blush. Okay, so now we're going to go over everything with our NW45 MAC Studio Fix Foundation Powder. Again, it's in the shade NW45, and we're just going to go over everything. Basically the areas where we concealed, the areas where the blush is a little bit harsher than the rest of the concealer and contour that's laying there, and right there over our forehead. All the areas are a little bit lighter than what they should be, basically. You just want to go over your whole face with your foundation powder when everything else is laid and slayed, okay? And yes, my go-to lip is a nude lip. That nude lip pretty much ties the look together at the end of the day. If you don't have colorful lipstick, which I don't, you can always go in with concealer and then use the eyeshadow colors that you use on your eyelid on your lip. But yeah, my favorite lip is the nude lip. Just throw a little bit of concealer on top of that dark brown liner, put some lip gloss, and go, okay? All right, we're going to go in with our mascara to bump up the eyelashes. And believe it or not, I haven't been wearing fake lashes a lot lately. I used to think you had to wear fake lashes when you wore makeup. But I'm definitely maturing as a woman, maturing as a makeup artist. And you do not have to wear fake lashes. You don't need falsies. Wear your natural. Hey, it's Charlie My Beauty. I'm here today with a new beat. I want you ladies to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. It's like sunset vibes. It's giving sunset. Let me know. All right, Charlie My Beauty.